Hi guys. I don't feel very well tonight. I know having sick so much this year, it just sucks, man. Like just one sickness to another. I have a stomach bug this time around. So might not be as talkative this time around as I usually am. What I'm just doing here is just getting a basic setup. I can hear myself, so that off. Oof. Connection's good. All right. Don't see any chat. Let's go to. Just want to see what happens. So, hmm. Well, it's because I was standing right on level streaming volume. Second for weapon. Oops. Rifle. Rifle. What else? The randomizer wasn't working. Crowd character. Random option is on, so it should be randomizing. Next weapon. Let's see. thing I needed was a nav mesh volume. The way it was moving. Volumes. Nav mesh bound volume. So this allows them to pretty much have an area in which they run 0, 0, 0. We're going to scale this by 10, 50, 60. 60 covers it all. 60 and 10. No, we want to have higher floors. 20. Let's see here. 25, just be safe. I could hit P to see where they can all travel. Yep, they can climb the stairs. Good. Oh. Has pistol animation, and that's what we're using now. Did I make a custom animation? Manny's sharing the same skeleton as the metahuman. There's two ways of doing that. You could just share the skeleton, or you could actually just make a new animation blueprint and retarget using the retargeter, retargeted node, and just choose Manny. In this case, look up Manny here. Mesh. He's using copy pose. I thought it was copy pose. Copy pose. I don't see. So the weapon that you seen on him first it's a weapon I've been working on before. It's just so now I'm a chubby chick with short hair, I guess. Man, he's my teammate. Oof. Drop the frames. Waiting for skeleton mesh to be ready. Oof. He's preparing shaders in the background. So I guess I haven't opened up a lot of these UE5 skeletons in a while. Because every single time a new skeleton loads, it has to load the shaders for the clothing and everything like that, which normally would never happen when you package a product. Well, it's working out. Interesting. Alright. Before I started that, you could see that I was doing about 70 frames, but you can see that it's loading. It's doing shaders right now, which is dropping my frame rate. It's loading a bunch of stuff, which is fine. So for you guys who are watching today, what I wanted to do was the weapon that, like I said, sorry, that you seen before was a customizable weapon. I bought a kit called the Weapon Factory. And the Weapon Factory has a base pistol. And it gives you a bunch of examples, but you're able to fully like customize. We're going to open the blueprint and viewport. We close Manny now. We're done with him. Close the base skeleton. Close that. We're not done with this. Could be done for this guy for now. We're done with that guy for now. And this is now working, so we're done with him. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I'm just dying. We'll drop this down to 2 here. So, like, you see you got this, like, rustic pistol with a scope. But you can see this is, pistol example 6, pistol example 2. You have this more tactical pistol with a sniper rifle. I mean, with the suppressor, sorry, and a laser sight. I mean, no laser sights like in the skins are different. So this is all off of this one. You can see that they're all off of the base pistol class. So that's what I was working with on getting it. The height is off and the size is off. These pistols are bigger than the regular pistols, so they don't look great in the hand, so they have to be scaled. Luckily, when you add a weapon, they have an offset right on it. See? Right on it, when it attaches, you have an offset. So I would just adjust the pistol here. Which I think I was actually... I didn't realize that, so I think I was actually trying to adjust the pistol. If I go back to the blueprints, this is the custom pistol I was working with. And so I did a bunch of edits to get it into the game. It still complains. I gotta find some things. Paint, tint, color, 5. Oh, skeleton mesh. Right. 111. Grip? Maybe I already fixed it so I didn't forget. Oh, no. Here we go. Oh, that's Meg. Slide. Maybe I was adjusting it actually somewhere else. Keyboard. But anyway, I was playing with the size of the pistol. Should have been the whole class though. Try to grab like the whole class, adjust the size. It's not there. It's still the same here. So maybe I did change it back. The pistol's pretty big. But yeah, now going forward, I'd be changing the pistol size in here. But we're just doing something more simpler today. Today, I want to do weapons. No, that's the actual weapons. I remember it has a weird name to it. Or sounds like Barkula. Marketplace Blockout. That's a weird name. Again, I don't come up with these naming conventions. Weapons. So, if you have weapons assets, we're working with these pistols here. If you have weapons and you want to just quickly swap out the Lyra stuff, what I would suggest is that you have the two simple animations, fire and reload. Believe it or not, that's the error I'm getting, because those customizable pistols have the mag separately, and the animation does not contain the mag, and the rifle and the skeleton mesh does not contain the mag. So, the Lyra character goes to pull out the mag and do an animation. I do not have an animation for reloading. The guy actually, for some reason, coded it so that he actually physically tries to take out a magazine. Like, he actually takes out the mag, like, and the mag is a separate object, which is just it's just like a waste of resources, I think. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna want a couple windows here. Contact browser too. We probably just do with these two windows here. Do my old classic split like I had in UE4. And this one here, we want to go to weapon. Maybe not just weapon. We want to search pistol stuff. There we go. Pistol damage, pistol things, animations. So it looks like they have a pistol fire montage, a pistol fire reload montage, and they have a pistol animation. So I duplicate this and do my, this is pistol 1, weapon, well I don't even put weapon, that seems redundant. We all know a pistol is a weapon. Pistol 1, animation, blueprint. And we're going to drag that over here, move that over here. We're going to into it. And I don't think this really has anything in it. It just has default slot, reference local space. keep that there. What we want to do is we want to reference this pistol, the skeleton, pistol 1 skeleton. If we go weapon, assets, pistols, pistol 2, yeah, it's a completely another set of animations and skeletons and stuff. Pistol 3, another set of animations and skeletons and stuff. Pistol 4, and this is why you just do one customizable pistol. Like, this is a lot of resources to constantly have. When, like, if you look at the animation and you look at the pistol, they're practically identical. But all they're really changing is the way the mesh looks in the material. So they could all share the same skeleton because they're all doing the same stuff. And they could say they all share the same physics material. The only thing that would change would be the actual skeleton mesh. And I guess static mesh. They made a static mesh for each, which I think is overkill. What that would require me to do now is if I wanted to make a pistol for each one, I'd have to like sit there and do an animation blueprint for each one. What I want to do... Maybe because I'm sick. But there's usually like a bulk asset changer. So I'm going to try another route. I'm going to actually right click and go retarget. Alright, you can't retarget like that anymore. Well, I guess I'll just have to make a new animation blueprint. Specific skeleton is... cancel. Modern weapon, that's a big mouthful there. Ooh. So, SK... well, the search menu's not changed. SK... modern... grenade launcher, LMG, pistol 1 is what I want. Create. And again, pistol 1 animation blueprint. I always added a suffix instead of a prefix for some reason. That's the way I've always done it. So now I got my animation blueprint. I just want to open these guys up to make sure that they're the same. I'm just gonna copy and paste. So, class settings. There's no like undo mark here, so it makes me think that all of it is just the same. Oh, 157. Oh yeah. So class settings is all the same. Class defaults looks like there's nothing done there. So I'll click on the class defaults anyway. And once these guys are done, we make our way over here. Come down, event graph, nothing. And this is nothing. Update is nothing. Animation is that. And again, animation is that. So essentially, I think they're both exactly the same. I don't think I'm missing anything. But just in case, we'll go to reference viewer. The reference is B pistol. And the skeleton. And reference viewer. Here. We just got our skeleton. So we're gonna need a B pistol here. So we'll go all the way all to all. We'll go B underscore pistol. Oh, what? Oh, that's supposed to be underscore pistol. Shown folder. So this is still underneath the weapon pistols, but this is must be a different section. Content weapon pistol. So we will duplicate this guy. Pistol 1 BP. And again, now because the way this guy has it set up, I'd have to have a pistol BP for each one of them. It's become a lot of assets at some point. When really they're all we're doing is changing the skin. Oh, this is here, right here. Ugh. So in our pistol 1 though, we would do pistol 1 or 1, pistol 1. Oh, come on. Pistol 01. Oh my god. These naming conventions, they're gonna kill me. Oh, that's the original pistol, so we want to do it here. Pistol. Oh, I can't type today. 01. Because it references the pistol, these are all here. But pistol 01. And then we'll do pistol 1 animation blueprint. Compile, save, and oh, this was the shooter content. So if I big size this is underneath the plugins folder. So there's two different areas. So in the contents folder, underneath weapons, pistols, we just have the art assets and stuff. Let's just see what this is referencing. Just actual animations. That has nothing to do with the pistol. Water shooter. And that has nothing to do with the pistol. So long as I keep this the same and it uses the same set, it should be fine. So we don't need to care about these guys. These here. Assets reference. It's actually referenced by pistol fire. So maybe I need to look at this a little bit more carefully here. Oh, I see. So right at the hop, it's playing animation montage. Crystal fire. looks like we will need this pistol equipped dry fire. Oh, wait. Reference viewer. We're gonna need to edit this guy too, or copy this guy actually. Actually, we're gonna need to browse the assets location. That's in the shooter. In this case, we'll just put it here with this stuff. So I'm gonna duplicate. Pistol 1. It's a game ability. That's what GA stands for. And again, I'm not doing weapon. We know pistol's a weapon. Fire pistol, GA1. We're gonna drag it over here. Move to here. Shooter pistol, and so it might be an ability set at some point as well. Duplicate. Ability set. Here we go. We are doing some moving of stuff, so I will go to edit, or Windows, sorry, content browser 3. And I'll fix up redirectors just in case. I'll close this guy. So, in this pistol 1 shooter, we're going to fire pistol 1 GA as fire reload. The rest is pretty simple. It's fine. Save that. Close. Fire reload. And then the pistol 1 GA.